So, dito sa last session natin, uulitin nating babasahin yung The Story of Fibonacci. Pero bago natin gawin yan, magpapaspelling muna ulit tayo. Okay, number 1. Ano yung spelling ng trainee? Number 2, arithmetic. Number 3, approach. Number 4, appearing. Okay na? Number 5, last number, accumulated. Okay. So, check ko na lang ulit to mamaya. Ngayon, basahin na lang ulit yung binasa natin no first session natin, which is yung The Story of Fibonacci. Okay na. Lakasan mo na lang, no?
Leonardo Pisano is better known by his nickname Fibonacci. He was the son of Guglielmo and a member of the Bonacci family. Fibonacci himself sometimes used the name Bigolo, which might mean good for nothing or a travel, as a estate in Fibonacci was born in Italy but was educated in North Africa, where his father Guglielmo held a diplomatic post. His father's job was to represent the merchants of the Republic of Pisa who were trading in Bugia, later called Bugi and now called Vijaya. Vijaya is a determining port in northern Algeria. The town lies at the mouth of the Wadi Salman near Mount Goraya and Carbon. Fibonacci was top mathematics in Bulgaria and traveled widely with his father and recognized the enormous advantage of the mathematical system used in the country. They visited Fibonacci twice in his famous book
Liber Abaci.
That relatively few handmade copies would ever have been produced. We are fortunate to have access to his writing in this work. However, we know that he wrote some other texts which
Unfortunately,
are lost. His book on commercial arithmetic diminution. His laws as is his commentary on book of Euclid's elements which contain a numerical treatment of irrational numbers with Euclid has
Approach.
approach from a geometric point of view. Frederick became aware of
Fibonacci's work.
work through the scholars at his court who had corresponded with Fibonacci since his return to Pisa around 1220. These scholars include Michael
Scotus.
Scotus, who was the court astrologer,
Theodorus.
Piscus, the court philosopher, and Dominicus Hispanus.
Dominicus Hispanus.
Dominicus Hispanus, who suggested to Frederick that he meet Fibonacci when Frederick court meet in Pisa around 1225. Johannes
Of Palermo.
another member to Frederick II's court, presented
A number.
numbers of problems as a challenge to the Greek mathematician Fibonacci. Those of these problems were solved by Fibonacci, and he gave solution in those which he sent to Frederick II. We give some details of one of these problems below.